on our second episode of Simply Better Systems. Do a shopping haul for what we got for this week, which might extend to 2 weeks. So here we have potatoes we got for 400 shillings and arrowroot for 300 shillings. Cabbage was 50, tomatoes, onions to 50. We have milk. We decided to try the Naivas Long Life milk for the first time. Then we have garlic. This is local garlic, which is very delicious. And tomatoes. Garlic is 30 shillings each, and tomatoes 100 shillings for the whole pack. Then we got some raw beans. This type. I love these beans because they are not acidic. They're not acidic when you cook them, though they don't swell like the dried ones. So this was 200. Then we have green peas. Again, the rates have gone down a bit. So this was 150. Then we got what? Half of our watermelon. This was 200. We got a pineapple. This was 199, I think, or 200. I can't remember the price. And we got this. Actually, it was 200 and something. These salad onions goes for 199. Then we have here we have sorrel. We have a bunch of sorrel, spinach, and 2 pieces of capsicum. Okay, so we have a few things from the supermarket. The serviette, we have 2 packs, each going for 99 shillings. We have this 800 grams bread. Then we have this super bright. These are soft and they are good for also scrubbing your wooden surfaces because it will not come out with paint. Okay, this is for the slightly rougher surfaces, and this is for the normal tasks. Okay, then of course Kikoman soy sauce is my favorite. I also love curry powder. This Simbambili. We had to restock garlic powder. Chapamandashi for anytime we want to bake, baking powder. Then we have some osumbuko, and we have some mincemeat and barbecue sauce, and then some Royco cubes, and then we got some notebooks. Okay, so this one is for someone else. This one is for the kitchen groceries, and this is for the monthly grocery. So by the end of this month, I'll show you how much we spend per month on groceries, and I'll see where we have been able to save and where we found ourselves falling off a bit. Okay, so after that we have some other fruits here. Avocados, 3 for 100, I guess. I think, yeah, 3 for 100. Then we have this pawpaw. We have 2 pieces. These 2 are 340. I didn't see this one is not okay, man. avocados were actually 4. And then we have oranges for 200. We have lemon pieces. One is 10 shillings each, so this was 30. And then we have some sweet potatoes. This was for 200, but they're so tiny, so this you can only eat like 2 or so. Yeah, so I think that's everything we got from the shopping of the day.